Today in this video I show you how to fix microphone not working on Snapchat. For this you have to open settings. Now scroll down to find privacy and security. Open microphone. Now in this, if your Snapchat toggle is turned off, then you have to turn it on and check if your microphone is working or not. You can also go back and find screen time. Open screen time. Click on content and privacy restrictions. Now in this you have to find microphone and click on it. If Snapchat toggle is turned off, then you have to turn it on. If your microphone still not working on Snapchat, then open App Store. Search Snapchat. Now if you have any update on Snapchat, then you have to update your Snapchat app. After updating Snapchat, if your microphone is still not working, then you can open Settings app again and find General Settings. Click on it. Now click on iPhone storage. Find Snapchat and click on it. Now click on Offload app and after offloading, click on Reinstall. After doing this, your microphone will work on Snapchat, but if you're still having problem, then check volume levels and make sure that your device silent mode is turned off. You can also try to clean your microphone or else take your device to technician or service center. So this is how you can fix microphone not working on Snapchat. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.